Good morning, my friend. Today checking micro oven, Magnetron. How to checking? This is ohms mode. This is ohms. Select the ohms mode. Next, checking this two wire checking. One up, next one down. You see continuity not coming. This checking continuity it's not coming. Magnetron defect. This magnetron defect. One step. This one. Next step. This one body touch. Body touch after continuity coming defect magnetron. Maybe this touching. This continuity ohms not coming. Magnetron. It's good. Body checking. Magnetron ohms checking. Magnetron body checking. Body coming or not coming checking. Body it's not coming. This same problem. How to check the magnetron? This is the magnetron. Admiral micro oven. This is magnetron. This fan, this one PCB, this one magnetron, this one transformer, this one capacitor, this one capacitor, this one electrical board, circuit board, this one all micro switch. This is micro switch inside. 1 2 3 micro switch available.